Back out in the garden, and today we're going to harvest some peppers that are ready. These are the Jimmy Nordello peppers that I've been waiting for them to turn red. And I only have a little bit of time out here because we've got some rain moving in. Nice big Jimmy Nordellos. Now something's been eating at that one, but we're gonna see what's salvageable on it. Love it. Whew. They started curling up. I've got some that are still green a little bit, so I'm going to leave those. Some of them are partial, but I'm going to go ahead and take some of them. Oh, I ripped that one. That one. Ooh, that one could have stayed. They're just so intertwined in here with the tomatoes. I'm going to go ahead and get that bell pepper. Well, something's eating it. I'll go ahead and get the bell peppers too while I'm out here that are ready. There's another bell. That bell is falling. I'll go ahead and take that one since I'm out here. Okay, move down to this. The weeds have just taken over my garden. I've got a lot of tomatoes that are ready to be harvested. Some of these bell peppers are getting long. I'm going to leave that one a little longer. We're going to move over here to the jalapenos. Get some jalapenos harvested. Only the bigger ones. I'll make pickled jalapenos with these, because that's what we need. We've got cowboy candy still from last year, so we're not making any cowboy candy this year. It's going to be a few days before I can get back out here. So I'm going to take advantage of this vacation day I took. Boy, those shishito peppers. I bet I got over 100 on there. But the weeds have just taken over in this bed. Gotta harvest that onion. I hear the storms rolling in. Harvest that onion. Oh. I'm going to get that one out of there too. Okay, let's see what we have over here that is red and ready to be harvested. These are the shishito peppers. These will stay green, and the rest of these should turn purple and red. And I am seeing some red down here, so we are gonna pull the red ones. And I'm going to pull those by hand. to make it quicker. Let me get you guys at a better angle. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Got some that are orange, not quite fully turned yet. Those are shishitos right there. Insane. That's a shishito, but that one's... These are my chili peppers down here. That one got mushy. Some of these still have green on them, but I can't tell down in there. Next year, I don't plan for these to be so bunched up. Whew. Whatever these little bitty ones are, they're probably gonna have some heat in them. Not sure what kind those are. Little bitty red ones. Nothing back there. Let's see. Shishitos. Those stay green. We pick some of the bigger ones. Oops. Well, I guess I'm taking all those. I got a couple different ones blending in here. Not sure what kind those are, but beautiful red. See another red one down there. Get some of these bigger shishitos off of here. Okay, purple cayennes. I believe some of those are ready. Some of my purple cayennes are turning red. Unless this is a different plant. Could be. Anyway, I don't know. I think it's a different plant. wet shower since the sun keeps coming out. These purple cayennes are part purple, part green. I think I'm going to leave those for now. You guys see some I missed that are, I'm sure I'm missing some. I believe all of these in this bed will either turn purple or red except for the shishitos. And I believe this is just another plant that's fell over here with that. Probably a serrano. Okay, guys. Thanks for coming along with me as I harvest peppers today. We got several different varieties. Oh, I see a jalapeno down here on the bottom. Must get it. It's pretty good size. And I got to go harvest peppers from the back porch too. So I'll bring you guys along with me for that. Let's go. Look at all these mammoth jalapenos. I'm going to go ahead and get these harvested. Brian may want to make some jalapeno poppers with them. If he doesn't, I'm going to be canning them. And just pickled jalapenos. Check that out. Man, oh man. Whew. There's at least 10 good ones out here I'm going to go ahead and get harvested. So, oh, I stopped by the co-op for gas yesterday and they gave me 4 pepper plants. So I got to get those planted. But I've got them back here so if it rains, they can get watered. I have watered them by hand, but they're root bound. They're ready to be planted. So I got to figure out where I'm going to plant those. But right now, I'm going to harvest those mammoth jalapenos. And then I'll show you guys what all we got. I want to thank the sponsor for today's video called Showwave. Showwave reached out to me, wanted to send me a pair of gardening boots. And they're an awesome color, purple, like eggplant purple. They're perfect for gardening. They're perfect for anything outdoors. They're perfect for anything if you're going to get wet, cleaning out the rabbit hutches, watering plants, harvesting in the garden. Now let me show you what we did harvest today. Check out all those jalapenos. One tomato had fallen off the vine, so I went ahead and got that. I got quite a few onions, but these are just a few of them. A bunch of bell peppers, some shishito peppers, Jimmy Nordello peppers had finally turned red, and a variety of serranos and chili de bowl chili peppers. So got a nice little harvest today of peppers and onions. I'm going to go in and I'm going to make up a little pepper salsa to go with tonight's meatloaf. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next harvest.